Hello, in this video we're going to introduce how to do digestion in MCDS. So first we start a new project and we load the vectors. We probably load J16031 and also pack 18. So the most common scenario is you want to clone a gene into a vector. So you want to make sure the enzyme you use will cut the vector but doesn't cut the gene. In MCDS, we have a very simple restriction analysis algorithm. So here is the button for restriction analysis, and also you can find it in experiment menu. So first you need to select the files you want to analyze and then click restriction analysis. In the restriction analysis dashboard, you can see add sequence here. So click add sequence. There will be DNA tab. In the DNA tab, you can see both of the two sequences, which is the pack 18 and the J61031. So we want to clone the RFP from this. So we select the RFP feature and click select. So what will happen, by clicking the select here, you can go back to the operation property. You can find that there's a region selected from this plasmid, and you want to make sure in this region the enzyme appears 0 times. And back to the DNA panel, you want to select the pack 18. You want to select the whole plasmid. So here is very important. Don't do it like this, because that will select a linear sequence if you click select here. Instead, click select whole, then it will select the whole plasmid as a circular one. And here we tap the parameter. We want the enzymes cut pack 18 once. So then we click apply. So we can find all the enzyme that cut pack 18 once but doesn't cut the RFP gene. So here we can copy those enzymes and back to the dashboard. So we can see here this manage enzymes. Click manage enzymes, you will see the enzyme type. Here you can tap whatever enzyme you want, for example BAMH1, HANDY3, and then press enter. Then all the enzyme you tapped will show in every map in this project. So basically, we already got the enzyme from the analysis. We copied them and put them in this enzyme setting. Press enter. So, wow, we see that there's a lot of enzyme. It's a bit tricky to check them. So here you can zoom the map. This is a special zoom. Here you can define how many pixels per kilo base pair. So we can use mouse wheel to scroll it up and down to zoom the view. So after zooming, it may be a little bit easier for you to check where are those enzymes. But anyway, we still have to check in the DNA view. So we click view DNA and go to DNA tab, and we find equal R1, BAMH1, XBAR1, cell1, SPH1, BBE1. So here we probably use equal R1 and XBA1. So adjust back to 100 or 300. Then we do the digestion. How to do the digestion? So first we need to select the pack 18 node or any node you want to digest. You can multi-select them. and digest the two plasmids together. So first we select Park 18, and there's a shortcut for digestion, which is Control and E. And there's also a button for it. Here you can see the Caesar button, which is digestion. So click the other one. The digestion node will appear. So here we tap equal R1 XBA1. Alright. You can see the magic here. You got two fragments after the digestion, which one is 31, the other is 2663. And here the F end and R end are the sticky end for the fragments. The star here means it's phosphorylated. If you want to dephosphorylate it, you can tick here and they become caret. Caret means it's a 5' overhang without phosphorylation. And after the digestion, you probably want to only want the 2663 fragment, so you want to do a gel purification. So here's the button for gel purification, and the shortcut is Ctrl G. So we select this node and press Ctrl G. The gel separation will work. So you can see the new node, which is only has the 2600 one. So click this one, you got the fragment here in the results. Alright, so back to the digestion node. You can see that there's also digestion buffer information. So how does MCDS manage digestion buffers? In the setting menu, you can see the manage digestion buffer. We click the other one, we can see this management tab. So here we have a set of NEB system. For example, you can see we have both equal R1 and equal R1 HF. They have different activity. So back to the experiment panel. You can see that there's one option is buffer 2.1, but it has star activity. It's 100%. And there's another option with buffer 2.1 with cut smart, but you use equal 1 HF and XBAR 1. And this one looks perfect. So I'm going to use this one. So that means in MCDS you can have all the necessary information for your experiment in the flowchart. And the next step, we want to know how to set up enzyme for MCDS. We go back to the setting. There's a setting for restriction enzymes as well. So you can see the restriction enzyme management. So here's the list for the enzymes. You can click one here, and by ticking here, you can change the cutting size. The red arrow means the cutting size, and you can modify the sequence by typing here. And this is the name for the enzyme. So you can actually create a new enzyme for MCDS by click here and save the edit. So that's it. Thanks for watching.